Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enter a Visa gift card on your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console and access this page. And then from here, select settings. And then scroll down and find account. And then select payment and billing. So choose that. And then type in your PIN if you have enabled one. And then from here, choose payment options. Give it a few seconds. And then from here, select add a new payment method. And then from here, choose credit card or debit card since we're using a Visa gift card. So select that. And then from here, type in the details that are required, e.g. the cardholder name, the card number, the expiry date, and also the CVV. And once done, you can select next and follow all the steps. And then once you have entered that particular card, you can now go back and add some funds on it, or you can use it to purchase games on Microsoft Store. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.